Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English SikhoDil Se. Lily is a little girl who is shy and reserved, but she enjoys playing football. Her friends and classmates ridicule Lily for her interest in football. Nonetheless, she is determined to pursue her passion and become a successful football player. Every day, after returning from school, Lily quickly finishes her homework and practices football. Her mother understands the love Lily has for the sport and supports her in every way. When the inter-school competitions are announced at the school, Lily decides to participate. She takes part in the selection trials and her classmates mock her once again. But they are shocked when Lily performs well, and the judges select her to represent the school. Lily's commitment and hard work mute every person who mocked her. Moral of the story: determination, strong will, and focus can help you achieve even the toughest of goals in spite of ridicule by others. Listen and learn to read stories in a perfect way and try to improve your reading quality. When you read a story, try to read it loud and clear. It will improve your reading quality and boost your confidence. Thank you very much for watching my videos. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day.